In this problem, it gives us that line L contains the points 5, 2 and negative 3, 18. It says line L intersects the vertical line that passes through 2, 1 at point P. So we want to determine the coordinates of point P expressed as an ordered pair. So let's first focus on this line. It passes through the points 5, 2 and negative 3, 18. So we want to figure out what the equation of this is, and we'll do this in slope-intercept form. To do that first, we need to find the slope. So that is y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. So that's 16 over negative 8. 16 over negative 8 is negative 2. So our equation is y equals negative 2x plus b. So to figure out the y-intercept, that means we need to plug in a point. I'll plug in the positive point. So y value of 2 equals negative 2 times 5 plus b. So 2 equals negative 10 plus b. Then we'll add 10 to the other side, so we get 12 equals b. So y equals negative 2x plus 12. So there's our equation. Now it tells us that this line intersects the vertical line that passes through 2, 1. Now a lot of people misread this and say that 2, 1 is the answer. No, it's not. The line, the vertical line that it passes through this point, 2, 1. Well, all vertical lines are of the form x equals. So if they gave us the coordinate, that means we know that the x value along this whole vertical line is 2. So wherever this hits that vertical line, we know the x value had to be 2 at the time. So that's half our answer. We know the x value is 2. So to figure out the y value, we substitute 2 in for y, or 2 in for x, sorry. So that's negative 4 plus 12. So that means our y value is positive 8. So to finish off our ordered pair, line L crosses this vertical line at point P, and point P is the ordered pair 2, 8. There's our answer, and we're done.